you busy with the phone?
They use one.
Can you use it again?
Where your phone there?
It's alright, just plug it in.
If I use your phone now, they use this one and are they busy with that?
Give me now, no be small time I won't use.
Now distract you, want distract me. But they use and do something. No be say I no want give you. You don't go waste time.
I don't go waste time, just give me.
Do. I want use them now. But you know the waste time now. Just do. I want to use the phone.
No be now, collect this phone from you.
Do now. You say you no go waste time. Just do. My mom be one call me by 6. 6 don't knock for them.
Time don't go.
No, my mom be one call me now. Just do fast now. I want to see my mom call. Just do. Don't be sad in a hurry, but when you just. You don't have to finish. A message will enter that phone anymore. Message enter.
No enter since and now I collect this phone, now you go enter.
And my dad said, and I remember my dad. Oh, my dad, I won't call my dad. My call my dad.
Calm down now. I never finished.
And my dad is supposed to. I won't call them. My dad no way. I need call him. The network don't come out too. Network don't come out. And network don't come out. How you want to see what you do?
Look at you.